Welcome to Mrs. J's Book Nook. Today I'm reading to you Bluey, Swim School. Now if you have this book, grab it, you can read along with me. Don't forget when we're going through to look out for Longdog. I'm sure Longdog is hiding somewhere in this story. Bluey and her family are on holiday. Bingo, it's a bit dangerous to run by the pool, says Dad. Sorry, says Bingo and stops. But then Bluey runs in. Let's play swim school. Dad, Bluey's running by the pool. Don't be a dobber, says Dad. But Bluey's doing something dangerous, says Bingo, confused. Shouldn't I dob then? Dad doesn't know how to answer that. Chilli? Mum just shrugs. It's time for swim school. The students have to pass all the lessons in Little Fish before they can move up to Big Fish. Hello, darlings. I'm Karen, says the teacher. Gryffindor, Sharon and Bevan are a family in the Little Fish class. Karen is teaching them to kick when Bevan starts mucking around. Bevan isn't doing it properly, dobs Sharon. Do, 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 do. Is Bevan doing anything dangerous? Asks Karen. Well, no. Then don't be a dobber, sweetie. The family keep practicing kicking until Gryffindor disappears underwater. Karen, Gryffindor just poked me, dobs Bevan. Hands to yourself, please, young lady. Hang on, says Sharon. Shouldn't Bevan get in trouble for dobbing like I did? Yes, Bevan, no dobbing, says Karen. Shouldn't Sharon get in trouble for dobbing on me about dobbing on Gryffindor? He asks. Oh, yes, bad, Sharon. Karen has had enough. Okay, class, there's a new rule. No more dobbing. Unless someone is in danger, says Sharon. Karen nods. Remember, you are a family. Well, let's work together, says Bevan. And when they work together, Gryffindor, Sharon and Bevan are excellent little fish. They learn doggy paddle, monkeying and ninja kicks. Karen is very proud. Well done, Poppets. You all get to move up to Big Fish. Good luck, says Karen. Wait, says Sharon. Aren't you our teacher for Big Fish? Oh no, Margaret takes Big Fish, says Karen. Goodbye. I have a feeling we're not going to like Margaret, says Bevan. Surprise! I'm Margaret. I'm not as nice as Karen. Don't worry about us. Karen taught us to work as a family and never to dob, says Sharon. Well, I like dobbing, and if you don't dob, you won't pass. But I thought dobbing was bad, says Gryffindor. Oh no, dobbing is good. The family doesn't think much of that. We're going to pass Big Fish without dobbing, but Big Fish is pretty hard. Margaret sits on you during backstroke. Fail! Fail? And while you're swimming across the pool, she even blows on your ears while you're starfishing. Oh, another fail! Sharon calls a family meeting. I want Karen back. Margaret is a silly old watermelon head. Well, what if we just refuse to do what she says? Sharon suggests. Yeah, Bevan agrees. Let's stick together. Well, it's a good plan, but before they can try it, Gryffindor dobs them in. Excellent dobbing, says Margaret. You have passed Big Fish. Gryffindor, Bevan shouts. Did you dob on us? Now everyone starts to dob and no one gets better at swimming. Gryffindor called you a silly old watermelon head. Fail! But Sharon peaked in Marco Polo. Fail! Well, Bevan peed in the pool. Blech. Sharon, Margaret and Gryffindor race to get out of the water. You two pass Big Fish, Margaret tells Sharon and Gryffindor. Bevan, you fail, you big grub. Gryffindor has passed the class, but something isn't right. Dobbing on her family doesn't feel very good. If Bevan fails, then I want to fail too, Gryffindor says. Hi-ya! And she ninja kicks into the pool. I'm with Gryffindor. Yeah! Oh, well, fine, says Margaret. You all fail. Good one, sis. But then, surprise. Welcome back to Little Fish, says Karen. I'm so proud of you all. Why is the water warmer here? Oh, Bevan! All right, let's have a look back through swim school and see if we can find Longdog. You call out when you think we've come across Longdog. So we're at the pool edge there. And here's Bluey dressed up as Karen, the teacher. And here they are starting to muck around a little bit. Oh, ninja kicking. I don't think I can see Longdog yet. And in comes Margaret, Bluey dressed up as Margaret. Still no Longdog. And I was looking, I thought Longdog might have been up on that pool lounge there, but not so. And not there either. Let's keep looking. Oh goodness, we're almost at the end. Maybe we've missed Longdog. You're right. There is Longdog, right next to the book on the lounge next to the pool. Well done. Good spotting.